built its first record attempt. That's what the RAW stands for, vehicle in 1988, a Subaru legacy that drove more than 62,000 miles over 18 days up and via track in Phoenix. Since then, Subaru has introduced a number of WRX/STI type RA models, with several attempts to set record laps at the New Diaris's Nürburgring. While Japanese customers got the opportunity to buy consumer versions of the Type RA, fans in the United States never did. Until now. The nameplate finally comes to the rest of us, improving upon an already potent, all-wheel drive performance sedan for the everyman. The STI already offers 305 horsepower, a forgiving torque vectoring system, and that big, beautiful wing to set it apart. The Type RA takes this even further, providing more refined performance from a familiar package. The cars are currently being built, and will arrive in dealerships soon. Compared to the standard STI, the Type RA is about 68 pounds lighter thanks to a carbon roof and rear wing, BBS 19-inch forged aluminum alloy wheels, the deletion of the rear armrest and swapping of the spare for a tire repair kit. The lighter roof also helps to lower the center of gravity by a fraction of an inch. Other exterior changes include signature STI cherry blossom red highlights on the grille and rear bumper, a front spoiler, black mirrors and Type RA badging. It only comes in 3 paint colors, WR Blue Pearl, Crystal Black Silica, and Crystal White Pearl. Inside, it gets an ultra-suede steering wheel, short throw shifter, red push-button ignition and a serialized plate to vindicate its rarity. Under the hood, the Type RA benefits from strengthened pistons and sodium-filled exhaust valves that better withstand high temperatures, which is important as the number of laps ticks higher on track day. It gets revised ECU tuning, and lower restriction air intake and exhaust. Finally, it has a 4.5% lower third gear ratio. In terms of power, the boost in output is modest, just 5 horsepower. That and the revised third gear help the Type RA do 0 to 60 miles per hour about a tenth of a second quicker. The rest of the improvements are focused on handling. The STI Type RA comes equipped with more responsive Bilstein dampers. The carbon roof increases torsional rigidity enough that Subaru claims it improves steering response. The aerodynamic improvements, front spoiler, rear vent and adjustable rear wing, improve grip through downforce and reduced lift. If you can't live with the regular STI's downfalls, this car isn't going to convince you. This limited edition doesn't fix any current complaints about the car, it just improves slightly on the car's strengths, brightening and polishing those aspects that attracted the car's current and past owners. Pushing $50,000, the interior still doesn't have the premium feel you'd expect from that price tag. There's still a lot of road noise. Sixth gear still needs to be a lot taller before it'll be comfortable for long highway hauls. But highway hauls aren't what the Type RA is about.
Yeah.